And welcome back to the second part of the tutorial. I'm going to exit and let's go in here. And now let's continue. Here we have the following menu. Okay, we have Chrome, and let's go back in here. So that's the first 5 taken care of. So this one is going to be menu cost dot vanilla cone equals menu cost dot the price of vanilla cone, and you then multiply that by double dot pass equals txt vanilla cone dot text. That's the first one taken care of. I think the second one is vanilla something. Let's see what's that called. Vanilla shake. So let's change this one to shake. And this is shake as well. Now the next one is called strawberry shake. Dot strawberry, and the same thing here. Okay, so then we have chocolate milkshake. Let's confirm the name of this here, and the name of this is chocolate milkshake. Copy that. Come right in here, paste that in there. Chocolate milkshake, and we have chocolate milkshake here. Right. Okay, let's go for the fries itself. Just copy this. We have dot fries. This is fries. And after the fries we have salad. So this will be dot salad. And there we go. Hamburger. Let's take care of the hamburger. We'll just speed it up because this is taking a little bit of time. There we go, guys. So I will now speed up the whole process and get back to you. Okay guys, all taken care of. The whole calculation is in place now, and when we run the program, there we go. We can then enter any value we want in there, but I still don't want it this way. I want to be able to use the checkbox. For now the checkbox is doing nothing. Press enter. There we go. That's fine. So to take care of the checkbox, what I'll do is first of all disable everything so that you cannot enter any value. So let's go back here, double click on the form itself. Okay, now let's disable the text box at runtime. So I'm going to go for txt in let's say txt bottled water, comma, then we have txt. I think I have about 17 of those. Okay, let's speed that up, and there we go, guys. So all I just need the system to do is, let's call that variable there txt dot enable, and that equals false. Okay, so that is sorted, and I can even copy this very one. I can copy it for my clear button as well, or reset button. So but first thing first, let's run it so that you guys see what I'm talking about. Look at that, all of the system are all disabled now. Okay, we will then write a line, 1 or 2 lines of code to enable it using this checkbox. Okay, so let's repeat the same thing for reset. So in the case of reset, copy this and just paste it right in here, and just come in here and say dot text equals, I think there's zeros in there, so let's just add a 0 there. There, that's all with the reset. Okay, but to prove to you that the reset works, let's clear it first, run it, then we'll take it from there. If I click on the reset, that's what you see. You see that, guys? Alright, so let's put the 0 back in the reset. So the reset is working as well. Now for the reset, we also have LBL subtotal. So let's clear that. Dot text equals clear, and we need to do the same thing for the tags. LBL tags dot clear, LBL total dot clear, and we have RT reset, and that we can just say dot clear. So there we go. So all our clear functions are in place. That is it. Take it from there. Okay, all we need to do now, since everything is working, is to be able to enable the checkbox, or to use the checkbox to enable the text box. So which means when I click on this, I want this enabled. So let's go back in here, and right here that's going to be an individual lines of codes. So double click on the very first one, and in there let's use an if statement. If chk kt dot checked equals true, and then this is what I want. Txt t dot text equals clear, and txt t dot text, we want it enabled. Enabled equals true. Then we also want it to set focus. I think that might be set focus. Alright, dot focus. Okay, let's say else we want the following. Dot text equals, and enable equals false. Right. There we go. So let me try out this very first one, and you guys see how it works, then we can take it from there. click on that. There we go, guys. And if I uncheck back, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. Click on total, there, reset. Okay, reset, we want this to be disabled as well. When we click on reset, and all of the content in here should go. Yeah, okay. So that's an error there on reset. Okay, then we have to get that sorted as well. Reset, that should become not just clear alone, we want it to become enable, we want it to become false as well. And with the reset, we want the checkbox to become the same thing for the checkbox. For each CHK in, let's say CHK, right, comma, let's put 1 or 2, try it out, and we'll take it from there. So CHK dot checked equals false. We want false. There. Okay. So that is for bottled water and cheese. So let's check those ones out first. Bottled water, I think it's this. There we go, it's working. So I'm going to speed that up as well. Okay, I've taken care of the reset of the checkbox. That's it now. These are all the lines of code for the reset. So if I run it, this is what you guys will see. I'll click on that. That's the only one I've taken care of for now. And when we click on the reset, we expect it to uncheck the checkbox back to where it was. You see that? So that's fine. Now let's continue with our checkbox. We've taken care of the very first one. So let's say I copy that and I come right in here, double click on color, paste that inside color, and just change this around to color. And that's all there is to it. So what I will do now is I'm going to have to speed it up now that you guys get the whole idea, but before then let me just run it to see what I'm talking about. So for tea and for cola, that is fine, and we can reset. So let's speed it all up, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so we finished with the checkbox. So if I run it, this is what you guys will see. So click on that and so on. So we can enter some values in there, okay, and just add it all up. Alright, supposing we reset and try this out without, we can use anyhow character which is not acceptable. That would definitely give us an error. Okay, you see that? So let's find a way to get that sorted. So let's come in here and we select it all. Select all of the text box, and let's use key press to determine what type of value is entered. Right, I believe it's all selected now. So now let's go to the properties. Alright, let's just get the properties out. Okay, now we get the property. We'll come into the event and let's come into key press. So let's just call that numbers only and press enter. There we go. So in there, enter as follows. So hopefully with that you won't be able to enter anyhow character. Okay, let's run it and see. So if let's use this very keyboard. Okay, let's take it up. Now enter anyhow character. There you say it's telling you should enter numbers. Okay, let's come to the next one. There, if you try to enter alphabet character or alphabetic character, the system will refuse it. So that's how that works. We can always click on total reset. However, supposing we enter some value in here and it mistakenly leave out this, that would definitely give us an error as well, because there's no value in there. So that means we need to find a solution to that as well. So let's end that and come back in here. We need to find a solution to that. So my solution is going to be, let's come into the event and scroll right down. We need validated. So let's just call that enter text or enter number. Press enter. So with the enter number, okay, all we then need to do is, let me declare the following variable: dim txt as, let's say, text box, and this text box equals sender. Right, now let's use an if statement. If txt dot text equals nothing, then what I want txt to do is assign 0 to that text box instead of giving us an error. There, that's all there is to it. So hopefully this should take care of the error that we encountered earlier. So let's run it now and see what's going to happen. Now we run the system, enter a value there, and mistakenly you did not enter any value there. You see that it default back to 0, and the same thing here, I default back to 0 as well. You see that, guys? That's much better. And you just click on total. There we go. So all that is left for us to do now is to take care of the receipt. So to take care of the receipt, let's clear it all, exit, and I'm going to enter the receipt right inside the total there. So let's come right down here, right down here. So the receipt will be somewhere here. So right underneath here, let's say RT receipt dot, I think append text. Yeah, append text. Okay guys, I had to speed up the receipt right here. Let's take it from here. That, or those are the lines of codes for the receipt. So have a good look at it. There, up to there. Okay, so let me run it now, and hopefully everything should go as planned. Okay, let's run it and see. Now enter how many of those we want. Mistake made here. So on. Okay, another mistake made there. Total. There we go, guys. Yeah. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you all enjoy it. So you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.